Institute of Global Professional IGP. Greetings from the Institute of Global Professional IGP. Thank you all for joining us and staying with us till the end. Honorable Knowledge Seeker, today I'm your host for the evening. My name is Badundash. I'm from Bangladesh. Dear Knowledge Seeker, I'm proud to be associated with IGP. IGP is a social and ISRP international educational and training institute. In last years, we already served 35 million plus knowledge seekers from 100 plus countries. IGP is internationally recognized and globally accredited. We are connected to more than 450 plus profession and 4,500 plus organization. Institute of Global Professional is an education institute that provides social work globally recognized and reportable. It serves students from holistic social work and education. We believe that it's not effective training is one skill just by for informal education. So we provide effective training and consultation to generate professional generation all over the world. We distribute our services locally, national, international to students, job seeker, job holder, and also for learners to respective campus location and distance learning platform. We are an occupational and dependable institute. IGP is one of the famous online institute from all over the world. Our vision is education is not a business product. It's a part of our human rights. Based on our vision, we are trying to reach all corners of the world for free webinar, seminar, courses, award, quiz competition, mentoring, and counseling, etc. On the other side, we are also trying to offer more than 100 training services for free, like Trade on Portfolio website, Resume Builder, cover letter, motivation letter, and one knowledge platform for gathering general knowledge which can update all day. Kids learning game website, free course, convert sites, and many more. We help to empower you to learn to meet their expectation and dream and become highly skilled people. We implement our training program, webinar, and offline online courses for you, the learner, by professional trainers, speaker, and coaches. Our sessions are conducted by globally renowned professionals to develop all kind of future to promote the education of the average and personal. Speaking knowledge is crucial. Seek that knowledge is level and confusion. So we try to understand research for the generation and will start them with research and practice method. We must have a genuine concern for the learner represent more diversity, growth, and innovation are required to lead a session with professionalism, passion, and integrity. IGP member are committed to offering effective best quality service and continual improvement so that individuals who seek information can improve their skill level and hello. Before we move to the next, let me remind don't forget to share, tag, and mention your friend in the comment box. The support is very valuable for us. Thank you. Before we move to the next, let me remind don't forget to share, tag, and mention your friend in the comment box. The support is very valuable for us. Thank you. Moving to the next, with your continuous support, we already completed 2,176 webinars successfully. Moving to the next, with your continuous support, we already completed 2,176 webinars successfully. Dear RGP speaker, participant, and well-wisher, at this moment, this is a very important message for you all. We change and design our website www.radioigp.com. On this website, we have surprise for everyone. Hope you'll be very good. We will launch your new website where you can find all our previous actions together with lots of new features. But one strong point is that without an account or login, you cannot enjoy your service. So treat your account for us with profile information. Note that with profile information, you will enjoy a feature with respect that you cannot do anything here. From now on, you have to participate in live quiz competition on our website. We replace slide. You have to join directly on our website. Now you can check all of our previous webinars with verified e-certificate. Now it's easier and time limited because after the session, we will not provide you any code for certification. You have to take part in one exam. For that, if you pass, you will receive your certificate, otherwise not. But you can take part in an exam unlimited till you pass. If you are an IGP speaker, you can download all your previous certificate, speakership certificate. If you are a host of IGP, you can download certificate of gratitude. If you are on a live quiz competition winner, you can download the certificate of participation. If you are selected for lifetime membership, then you can download the certificate of lifetime membership easily. Besides this, we participate in any award function which organized combines about with IGP. You can download there also. You can instantly prepare and download 18 times using certificate from our website within a minute. Certificate of Global Professional Membership, Certificate of Global Inclusion in the Pandemic, Certificate of Active Knowledge Seeker, Certificate of Social Activities in the Pandemic, Certificate of Achievement IGP Knowledge Seeker 2020, 2021, and 2022, Certificate of Participant Webinar Series 1, Authentic Assessment in Teaching Learning, Certificate of Participant Webinar Series 2, Certificate of Participant Webinar Series 3. This is classroom engagement tool, certificate of participant websites for the new trend in education, certificate of participant websites 5, art social leadership and managerial skills, certificate of participant websites 6, trend and innovation in mathematics education, certificate of participant websites 7, education technology education, certificate of participant websites 8, certificate of participant websites 9, certificate of participant websites 10, certificate of participant websites 11, certificate of participant websites 12, certificate of participant websites 13, certificate of participant websites 14, certificate of participant websites 15, certificate of participant websites 16, certificate of participant websites 17, certificate of participant websites 18, certificate of participant websites 19, certificate of participant websites 20, certificate of participant websites 21, teaching teacher healthy parents healthy expertise tools for teacher. You can join IGP alumni. You can check out our previous student services website for free and many more. Dear IGP well-wisher, we promised previously, but lack of technical problem, we are late sending on time. This is a great opportunity to collect your previous condition. Solve solution from our website. Now you can enroll, reset password, everything. You can check it for all our details. This is a cordial request to check our button pages on our website. You like and simply benefited. Thank you, but note that without an account logged in, you cannot enjoy yourselves. At present, we are going to start our 2177 webinar, which name is Artificial Intelligence Concept Users Merit and Dismerit. And today our speaker ma'am name is Dr. Samia Al Sheikh. She is from Palestine. Now, very important moment for me to invite our speaker to IGP with her presentation. Now, very important moment for me to invite our speaker to IGP with her presentation. Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, hello. Good morning. Oh, I'm
Ma'am,
ready.
please, you can start your presentation now.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, well, good morning, good afternoon for everybody, our lovely knowledge seekers all over the world. I'm Dr. Simon Cake. I'm an executive manager in the Ministry of Education and Higher Education in Palestine. It's very nice to meet you again today with IGP team, whom I'm so proud to be one of his members. First of all, I want all of you to pray for my family in Gaza who is suffering from the barbaric Israeli attack. And I hope that they will be safe soon, inshallah. My lecture is entitled AI, that's to say artificial intelligence in education, concepts, applications, and applications. To show you myself because the internet is very weak in Palestine. And so this fusion of technology and teaching is not only transforming the way students learn, but is also generating a huge debate about the implications, challenges, and opportunities in the academic sector. It helps educators to identify the gaps in student knowledge and provide targeted feedback to improve learning outcomes. With the help of artificial intelligence powered chatbots and virtual assistants, educators can provide students with immediate support and assistance outside the classroom, helping them stay engaged and motivated. What is AI? What is artificial intelligence? It's the science, sorry, it's the science of artificial intelligence.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Hello. I'm waiting for you. In fact, there is a technological problem with my
Oh,
internet. Okay, I'm going to complete. Okay.
oh, okay.
Okay. So sorry. Once more, we are going to talk about artificial intelligence, concept, uses, and merits and demerits. What is the artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of a human intelligence processed by machines, um, especially computer systems. Specific applications of artificial intelligence include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. How does the artificial intelligence work? As the hype around artificial intelligence has accelerated, vendors have been scrambling to promote how their products and services use it. Often, what they refer to as AI or artificial intelligence is simply a component of the technology, such as machine learning. Artificial requires a foundation of specialized hardware and software for writing and training machine learning algorithms. No single programming language is synonymous with artificial intelligence, but Python, R, Java, C++, and Julia have features popular with AI developers. In general, artificial intelligence systems work by um, ingesting large amounts of label training data, analyzing the data for correlations and patterns, and using these patterns to make predictions about future states. In this way, a chatbot that is fed examples of text can learn to generate life-like exchanges with people, or an image recognition tool that learn to identify and describe objects in images by reviewing millions of examples. New rapidly improving generative artificial intelligence techniques can create realistic text, images, music, and other media. Artificial intelligence programming focuses on cognitive skills that include the following. First of all, learning. This aspect of artificial intelligence programming focuses on acquiring data and creating rules for how to turn it to new actionable into to turn it into actionable information. The rules, which are called algorithms, provide computing devices with step-by-step instructions for how to complete a specific task. Then reasoning. This aspect of artificial intelligence programming focuses on choosing the right algorithm to reach a desired outcome. The third thing is self correction. This aspect of artificial intelligence programming is designed to continually fine tune algorithms and ensure they provide the most accurate results possible. The next aspect is creativity. Aspect This aspect of artificial intelligence uses neural networks, rules based systems, statistical methods, and other artificial intelligence techniques to generate new images, new text, new music, and new ideas. Then, why is artificial intelligence important? Artificial intelligence is important for its potential to change how we live, work, and play. It has been effectively used in business to automate tasks done by humans, including customer service work, lead generation, fraud detection, and quality control. In a number of areas, artificial intelligence can perform tasks much better than humans, particularly when it comes to repetitive, detailed oriented tasks such as analyzing large numbers of legal documents to ensure relevant fields are filled in properly. Artificial tools often complete jobs quickly and with relatively few errors because of the massive data sets it can process. Artificial intelligence can also give enterprises insights into their operations they might not have been aware of. The rapidly expanding population of generative artificial intelligence tools will be important in fields ranging from education and marketing to product design. Indeed, advances in artificial intelligence techniques have not only helped fuel an explosion in efficacy or efficiency, but opened the door to entirely new business opportunities for some larger enterprises. Prior to the current wave of artificial intelligence, it would have been hard to imagine using computer software to connect riders to taxis, but Uber has become a Fortune 500 company by doing just that. Artificial intelligence has become central to many of today's largest and most successful companies, including Alphabet, Apple, Microsoft, and Meta, where artificial intelligence technologies are used to improve operations and output competitors. At Alphabet subsidiary Google, for example, artificial intelligence is central to its search engine. Waymo's self-driving cars and Google Brain, which invented the transformer neural network architecture that underpin, underpins the recent breakthrough in natural language processing. What are the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence, or the merits and demerits, or cons, pros and cons? Artificial neural networks and deep learning artificial intelligence technologies are quickly evolving primarily because artificial intelligence can process large amounts of data, as we said, and much faster and make predictions more accurately than humanly possible. While the huge volume of data created on a daily basis would bury a human researcher, artificial intelligence applications using machine learning can take that data and quickly turn it into actionable information. As of this writing or this my lecture, a primary disadvantage of AI is that it is expensive to process the large amounts of data artificial intelligence programming requires. As AI techniques are incorporated into more products and services, organizations must also be attuned to AI's potential to create bias and discriminatory systems internationally or individually. Advantages, this is some of the advantages, disadvantages, and but about the advantages, the following are some advantages of AI or artificial intelligence. First of all, it is good at detail-oriented jobs. Sorry. AI has proven to be just as good if not better than doctors at diagnosing certain cancers, including breast cancer and melanoma. The second merit or the second advantage is it reduces time for data heavy tasks. AI is widely used in data heavy industries, including banking and securities, pharma, and insurance, to reduce the time it takes to analyze big data sets. Financial services, for example, routinely use AI to process loan applications and select fraud. The third or the next merit or pros or advantage is that it saves labor and increases productivity. An example here is the use of warehouse automation, which grew during a pandemic and is expected to increase with the integration of AI and machine learning. The next merit is delivers consistent results. The best artificial intelligence translation tools deliver high levels of consistency, offering even small businesses the ability to reach customers in their native language. The next advantage, it can improve customer satisfaction through personalization. Artificial intelligence can personalize content, messaging, ads, recommendations, and websites to individual customers. The next merit or advantage it is that artificial intelligence powered virtual agents are always available. All programs do not need to sleep or take breaks, providing 24 for 7 or on 7 services. But about the disadvantages, the following are some of disadvantages. It is artificial intelligence. It is very expensive. It requires deep technical expertise. It needs or it is a limited supply of qualified workers to build artificial intelligence tools. It reflects the biases of its training data at scale, the lack of ability to generalize from one task to another, eliminates human jobs, increasing unemployment rates. There are some other disadvantages. In fact, when we say there will be technological dependency with the integration of artificial intelligence. There is a risk that both educators and students will become too dependent on technology, affecting the development of what we know as power skills. And the next disadvantage is that memory weakening. Previously, students were forced to memorize all types of data, such as historical dates, authors, philosophical currents, etc. The internet has made knowledge um, ubiquitous and easily accessible. Therefore, the ability and habit of memorizing or memorization has gone decreasing as the internet advanced. This process of collective forgetting will increase exponentially with artificial intelligence. So, once again, it will all depend on how we use it in both homes and educational institutions. Another disadvantage is the privacy issues. When using artificial intelligence based platforms, student data may be at risk of not properly managed. Another disadvantage is depersonalization. While artificial intelligence can personalize learning, it can also cause the educational process to become mechanized and unnatural. And this is very dangerous, in fact. How to use artificial intelligence in education wisely. There are some steps or some stages that we can use. First of all, training educators. This is very important. In fact, teachers must be equipped with the skills and knowledge necessary to effectively use artificial intelligence education. This includes understanding the tools available and how to adapt them to the needs of their students. The next step is to make balanced use of artificial intelligence. Finding a balance between traditional teaching and artificial intelligence based tools is critical to ensure successful implementation. Technology should be a complement, not a substitute for human interactions in the classroom. The third step is focusing on ethics. Ethics must be a primary consideration during the implementation of artificial intelligence in education. Educational institutions must ensure that student data is protected and that the technology is used responsibly. The next step is performing constant revisions. Technology and its applications are constantly evolving. Institutions must be willing to adapt and change regularly reviewing how it is used and whether it meets their stated educational goals. This ongoing process is called by academic keeping the X chart. Now we are going to talk about something else. Strong artificial intelligence and with the weaknesses. Artificial intelligence can be categorized as weak or strong. How that? How to do that or how to say that? Weak artificial intelligence, also known as narrow artificial intelligence, is designed and trained to complete a specific task. Industrial robots and virtual personal assistants, such as Apple's Siri, use weak artificial intelligence. But the strong artificial intelligence, also known as artificial general intelligence, that's to say, or it's abbreviated to the letters AGI, describes programming that can replicate the cognitive abilities of the human brain. When presented with an unfamiliar task, a strong artificial intelligence system can use fuzzy logic to apply knowledge from one domain to another and find a solution. In a theory, a strong artificial intelligence program should be able to pass Turing tests and the Chinese room argument. What are the four types of the artificial intelligence? A scientist or a professor and an assistant professor who is called Aaron Hens. Um, um, he said he's a professor of integrative biology and computer science and engineering at Michigan State University. He explained that artificial intelligence can be categorized into four types, beginning with the task-specific intelligence system in wide use today and progressing to scientist systems which do not yet exist. The categories are as follows. Type 1, reactive machines. These artificial intelligence systems have no memory and are task specific. An example is Deep Blue, the IBM chess program that beat Gary in the 1990s. Deep Blue can identify pieces on a chessboard and make predictions, but because it has no memory, it cannot use past experiences to inform future ones. In type 2, limited memory. These artificial intelligence systems have memory, so they can use past experiences to inform future decisions. Some of the decisions making functions in self-driving cars are designed this way. In type number 3, which is called the theory of mind. Theory of mind is a psychology term. When applied to artificial intelligence, it means the system would have the social intelligence to understand emotions. This type of artificial intelligence will be able to infer human intentions and predict behavior, a necessary skill for artificial intelligence systems to become integral members of human teams. In type number 4, self-awareness. In this category, all artificial intelligence systems have a sense of self, which gives them consciousness. Machines with self-awareness understand their own current state. This type of artificial intelligence does not yet exist. What are the examples of artificial intelligence technology and how it is used today? Artificial intelligence is incorporated into a variety of different types of technology. Here are 7 examples. First of all, automation. When paired with artificial intelligence technologies, automation tools expand the volume and types of tasks performed. An example is robotic process automation, a type of software that automates repetitive, rules-based data processing tasks traditionally done by humans. When combined with machine learning and emerging artificial tools, can automate bigger portions of enterprise jobs, enabling tactical bots to pass along intelligence from artificial intelligence and respond to process changing or changes. Then in machine learning, this is the science of getting a computer to act without a programming. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that in very simple terms can be thought of as the automation of predictive analytics. These are 3 types of machine learning algorithms. First of all, supervised learning data sets are labeled so that patterns can be detected and used to label new data sets. The second type is unsupervised learning. Data sets aren't labeled and are sorted according to similarities or differences. The third type is reinforcement learning. Data sets aren't labeled, but after performing an action of several actions, this artificial intelligence system is given feedback. Then machine vision. This technology gives a machine, this is an example of artificial intelligence. In fact, this technology gives the machine the ability to see. Machine vision captures and analyzes virtual information, uses a camera, analog to digital conversion and digital signal processing. It is often compared to human eyesight, but machine vision isn't bound by biology and can be programmed to see through walls, for example. It is used in a range of applications, from signature identification of medical image analysis. Computer and the computer version or vision, which is focused on machine-based image processing, is often conflated with machine vision. In the robotics, the field of engineering focuses the design and manufacturing of robots. Robots are often used to perform tasks that are difficult for humans to perform or perform consistently. For example, robots are used in car production, for example, assembly lines by NASA to move large objects in space. Researchers also use machine learning to build robots that can interact in social settings. In text, image, and audio generation, generative all techniques or artificial intelligence techniques, which create various types of media from text promotes, are being applied extensively across business to create a seemingly limitless range of content types from photorealistic art to email responses and screenplays. What are the applications of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence has made its way into a wide variety of markets. Here are some of the examples. Artificial intelligence in healthcare, the biggest bets are on improving patient outcomes and reducing costs. Companies are applying machine learning to make better and faster medical diagnosis than humans. Then we can use artificial intelligence in business also. Machine learning algorithms are being integrated into analytics and customer relations. Also, we can use it in education, as we said the beginning of my lecture. Artificial intelligence can automate grading, giving educators more time for other tasks. It can assist students and adapt to their needs, helping them work at their own pace. All tutors in artificial intelligence can be provided with additional support for them, ensuring they stay on track. The technology could also change where and how students learn, perhaps even replacing some teachers, as demonstrated by ChatGPT and Google Bard and other large language models. Generative artificial intelligence can help educators craft coursework and other teaching materials and engage students in new ways. The advent of these tools also forces the educators to rethink student homework and testing and revise policies on plagiarism. Also, we can use artificial intelligence in finance, artificial intelligence in personal finance applications such as Intuit or TurboTax is disrupting financial institutions. Applications such as these collect personal data and provide financial advice. Oh, also, we can use artificial intelligence in law. The discovery process, sifting through documents in law, is often overwhelming for humans. Using artificial intelligence to help automate the legal industry's labor-intensive processes in saving time and improving client service. Law firms use machine learning to describe data and predict outcomes, computer vision to classify and extract information from documents, and to interpret requests for information. Also, we can use artificial intelligence in entertainment and media. The entertainment business uses artificial intelligence techniques for targeted advertising, recommending content distribution, detecting fraud, creating scripts, and making movies. Automated journalism helps newsrooms streamline media workflows, reducing time, cost, complexity, and also newsrooms use artificial intelligence to automate routine tasks such as data entry and proofreading, and to research topics and assist with headlines. How journalism can reliably use a chat GPT and other generative artificial intelligence to generate content is open to question. Also, we can use artificial intelligence in software coding and information technology processes. In new generative artificial intelligence tools can be used to produce application code based on natural language prompts. But it is early days for these tools, and unlikely they will replace software engineers soon. Artificial intelligence is also being used in to automate many information technology processes, including data entry, fraud detection, customer service, and predictive maintenance and security. In security, also, we can use artificial intelligence. In fact, machine learning are at the top of the buzzword list. Security vendors use to market their products, so buyers should approach with caution. Still, artificial intelligence techniques are being successfully applied to multiple aspects of cybersecurity, including anomaly detection, solving the false positive problem, and conducting behavioral threat analytics. Organizations use machine learning in security information and even event management software and related areas to detect anomalies and identify suspicious activities that indicate threats. By analyzing data and using logic to identify similarities to known malicious code, artificial intelligence can provide alerts to new and emerging attacks much sooner than human employees and previous technology um, iterations. Also, we can use artificial intelligence in manufacturing. Manufacturing has been at the forefront of incorporating robots into the workflow. For example, the industrial robots that were at one time programmed to perform single tasks and separated from human workers increasingly function as cobots. Smaller multitasking robots can collaborate with humans and task on responsibility for more parts of the jobs, warehouses, factory floors, and other workplaces. Artificial intelligence also is used in banking. Banks are successfully employing chatbots to make their customers aware of services and offering and to handle sorry to handle transactions that don't require human intervention. Artificial intelligence virtual assistants are used to improve and cut the costs of compliance with banking regulations. Banking organizations use artificial intelligence also to improve their decision making for loans, set created limits, and identified investment opportunities. We can use artificial intelligence in transportation also, in addition to AI's fundamental role in operating autonomous vehicles. All technologies are used in transportation to manage traffic, predict flight delays, and make ocean shipping safer and more efficient. In supply chains, AI is replacing traditional methods of forecasting demand and predicting disruptions, a trend accelerated by COVID 19 when many companies were caught off guard by the effects of global pandemic on the supply and demand of goods. These are the uses of intelligent of artificial intelligence in many, many, many fields. And to conclude, there is no doubt that we are facing a new pedagogical era where digital tools must be combined with traditional ones to offer a more enriching educational experience. That's the whole of my lecture. I hope that you have get the information you were looking for. Thank you very much for listening to me, and so sorry for my bad internet. Thank you very much. I'm waiting for your questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for each content presentation which can impact our knowledge seeker surely. After your presentation, I hope our knowledge seeker can learn something new, which was our only intention. Learn and grow together, IGP knowledge seeker. Once again, thank you so much, ma'am, for your presentation. Now, ma'am, it's time for our question answer session, which is a one more valuable part of our regular webinar. Honorable ma'am, please stay with us. After a short video, we will back in our session part 2, which is the question answer part. Dear IGP knowledge seeker, please ask your question in the comment box as much as you want to know from our speaker. Thank you. After question answer, we have a webinar certification and online quiz competition. Dear IGP knowledge seeker, please ask your question in the comment box as much as you want to know from our speaker. Thank you. After question answer, we have a webinar certification and online quiz competition. Participant, dear IGP knowledge seeker, please ask your question in the comment box as much as you want to know from our speaker. Thank you. After question answer, we have a webinar certification and online quiz competition. Dear IGP knowledge seeker, please ask your question in the comment box as much as you want to know from our speaker. Thank you. After question answer, we have a webinar certification and online quiz competition. Ma'am, I think after a wonderful presentation, our participant can understand the topic very clearly. That's why no questions from our participants. So once again, thank you so much, ma'am, for your time in IGP. We have learned a lot from you with new topic. It will add some value to our day-to-day activity along with our academic and professional growth. Honorable ma'am, hope to see you again with a new topic and a new date. Thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Thank you much. Nice to meet you today. And I'm probably one of IGP team members. Thank you very much. I'm going to leave. Thank you. Seeing you next lecture, inshallah. Thank you very much.
Welcome, ma'am. Honorable ma'am, before we move to the next, if you want to leave this studio, you can.
Okay,
Dear
thank you
IGP,
very much.
welcome, ma'am. Dear IGP analysis is time for the webinar certification process, the most attractive and powerful part of our regular webinar. After a short video, we will start our webinar certification. After webinar certification, we have an online quiz competition and quiz certification. The IGP knowledge stand for the webinar certification. This is the most attractive and powerful part of our regular webinar. After a short video, we will start our webinar certification. After webinar certification, we have an online quiz competition and quiz certification. Certification process. Visit www.radiorgp.com. Please make sure your presence on our website. Find the earning session and get enrolled. After watching governing part 1, move to the next. You learn test passing mark 80% if passed. Back to the course again to download your certificate. If failed to retake the quiz, download your certificate in PDF or JPG. For your attention, I'm going to share the procedure again. Visit www.radiorgp.com. Please make sure your presence on our website. Find the earning session and get enrolled. After watching governing part 1, move to the next. You learn test passing mark 80%. If passed, back to the course again to download your certificate. If failed to retake the quiz, download your certificate in PDF or JPG. The IGP knowledge system for the webinar certification process, the most attractive and powerful part of our regular webinar. After a short video, we will start our webinar certification. After webinar certification, the IGP knowledge is the most challenging part of this webinar, which is an online quiz competition, which is our regular webinar activity. We change a few processes for online quiz competition. Note that after live, no one can participate. Now, time for the online quiz competition. To join the online quiz competition properly, please follow my instruction carefully. Now, time for the online quiz competition. To join the online quiz competition properly, please follow my instruction carefully. Visit www.radioigp.com and sign up or sign in. Without this, you cannot join live quiz competition anymore. Browse the live quiz button and give a link. Find the session name and join with your logged website or user account. Click join and wait for a few minutes for others to join and join on a live quiz competition. After the quiz, we will issue certificate for top 10 as previously, which you can find on official Facebook page of Global Professional. After a short video, we'll start our quiz session. With 16 people, we are going to start our quiz session right now. First question is, RPA uses artificial intelligence? This is option 1 or option 2? Option 1 is the right answer. 100% people are right. Our second question is, artificial intelligence uses algorithms. Is it true or false? Option 1 is the right answer. 94% people are right. Our third question is, Telsa uses artificial intelligence. Is it true or false?
দেখো না, আমার আপু ভাই বোনেরা আমার উপর বিরক্ত হয়ে গেছে। মনে হচ্ছে আমি মরে গেলে ওরা বেঁচে যায়।
এমন খারাপ কথা কখনো বলবেন না। স্বামী স্ত্রীর সম্পর্ক এতটা ঠুনকো না যে স্বামী একটু অসুস্থ তাই তার প্রতি বিরক্ত বোধ করবো। জাহিদ তার মুখে কথাটা শুনে একটু স্বস্তিকর নিঃশ্বাস ছাড়ে। তার সেবা যত্নে জাহিদ দ্রুত সুস্থ হয়ে নিজের স্বাভাবিক জীবনে ফিরে যায়।
Option 1 is the right answer. 89% people are right. Our next question is
আমার কলেজের ফি আজকে জমা দিতে হবে।
PPT uses artificial intelligence. True or false?
10,000 টাকার কথা শুনে তারা বলে, আমিও লেখাপড়া করেছি। কই আমাদের সময় তো এত টাকা লাগতো না। হঠাৎ করে তোমার কলেজের ফি এত টাকা হলো কিভাবে?
এবার সত্যি করে বলতো, টাকাগুলো কিন্তু কলেজের ফি।
টাকা দিতে বলেছি দিবা। তোমাদের মতো কৈফিয়ত দিতে রাজি না আমি। বড় ভাইয়ের মুখে মুখে কিভাবে তর্ক করে দিবা? তুমি না ভালো মেয়ে, এমন ভাবে কথা বলতে হয় না। এই তুমি একদম চুপ।
Option 1 is the right answer. 79% people are right. Our next question is
আমাদের জীবনটা বিষাক্ত করে দিয়েছো।
Adhra uses artificial intelligence. True or false?
তারা তো ভাবি, আর ভাবিকে সম্মান করতে শেখে।
আহ, যেবা ছোট মানুষ, ওকে এভাবে ধমকে কথা বলবেন না। আমি তো যেবার সাথে কথা বলছি। থাক ম্যাডাম, আপনাকে জুতা মেরে গুণগান করতে হবে না। লাগবে না তোমাদের টাকা। তোমাদের টাকা নিয়ে তোমরাই থাকো।
আমার টাকা ছাড়া তো চলবে না। আমার টাকায় খেয়ে পরে আমাকে কথা শোনাস। এই জন্য বলে, বাবা মা না থাকলে মনকে বেশি মাথায় তুলে
Option 1 is the right answer. 94% people are right. Our next question is
ভালো ছেলেদের
YouTube uses artificial intelligence. Is it true or
আমি
false?
আমার পছন্দ মতো বিয়ে করবো। আমার পার্সোনাল ব্যাপারে তোমরা একটু নাক গলাতে আসবে না। যদি আসো তোমাদের নাক কাটা যাবে। জাহিদ যেভাবে থাপ্পড় দিতে যায় কিন্তু তার আগেই তারা তাকে আটকিয়ে দেয়। যেবার আগামীত হয়ে হনহনিয়ে সেখান থেকে চলে যায়। আর জাহিদ আর তারা চুপচাপ দাঁড়িয়ে ছিল। এদিকে বিকালে হঠাৎ কলিং বেলটা বেজে ওঠে। তারা গিয়ে দরজা খুলে দেখতে পায় যেবার তার প্রেমিক আমানকে বিয়ে করে সোজা জাহিদের ফ্ল্যাটে নিয়ে আসে। তারা যেবার আমানকে একসাথে
Option 2 is the right answer. 100% people are right. Our next question is
কারণ আমার একজন বখাটে ছেলে।
A Romba uses artificial intelligence. True or false?
আমাদের আগে পিছে কেউ নাই। বেকার খারাপ ছেলে। তার সাথে যেবা এভাবে হাত ধরে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে কেন? তখনই যেবা বলে, ভাবি, আমার স্বামী। আমি আমাকে ভালোবাসি, তাই আমাকে বিয়ে করেছি। কি বলছো এসব? এর ফালতু ছেলেটা তোমার স্বামী? তুমি একটা শিক্ষিত মেয়েকে কিভাবে পারলে এই রাস্তাটাকে বিয়ে করতে? কারো সম্পর্কে সবকিছু ভালোভাবে না জেনে কথা বলতে হয় না।
Option 1 is the right answer. 89% people are right. Our eighth question is the concept of the artificial intelligence system is based on evolution. Darwin. Is it true or false?
মন্তব্য করার পূর্বে সত্য জানা উচিত। তারা আর কিছু বলবে তার আগে জাহিদ ভিতর থেকে দরজার দিকে এগিয়ে আসে। সেখানে তার বোনকে পরপুরুষের সাথে দেখে রেগে যায়। তখন তারা যেবার আমাদের সম্পর্কের কথা তাকে বলে। জাহিদ রেগে বলে,
এত সাহস, তুই এখন সম্পত্তির ভাগ দিতে এসেছিস।
যদি তা মনে করো তাহলে তাই। যেবা আজকে যার জন্য এভাবে নিজের বড় ভাইয়ের সাথে ঝগড়া করছো, দেখো
Option 1 is the right answer. 41% people are right. Our second last question of the session. The concept of artificial intelligence has been around since the 1950s. Is it true or false?
ওরা তোমাকে মেনে না নিলে তাতে আমাদের কোনো কিছুই না। এদের সাথে কথা বলে আমাদের কোনো লাভ নেই। চলো আমরা রুমে যাই। যেবা আমানকে নিয়ে তার রুমে চলে যায়। জাহিদ আর তারা নীরব হয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে ছিল। একদিন সকালে তারা সকালের জন্য নাস্তা রেডি করছিল। তখন আমান রান্নাঘরে যায়। আমানকে রান্নাঘরে দেখে তারা একটু ভয় পেয়ে চমকে ওঠে। আমান তখন বলে,
ভাবি, আমি কোনো খারাপ ছেলে না।
Option 1 is the right answer. 94% people are right. Our last and final question of the session is the concept of artificial intelligence was created in the year 1990s. Is it true or false?
এরপর তারা আমাকে গরম পানির গ্লাস এগিয়ে দেয়। তখন জাহিদ এসে তারাকে বলে,
মেয়ে ছেলের থেকে দূরত্ব বজায় রাখবে। আজকাল যাকে তাকে ভরসা করা যায় না। তাছাড়া তুমি আমার মূল্যবান সম্পদ। তোমার কিছু হলে আমার কি হবে? ভাইয়া, আমাকে এত নিচু মানসিকতা ভাববেন না। আমি এত খারাপ না যে অন্যের স্ত্রীর দিকে খারাপ দৃষ্টিতে তাকাবো। আমি তো ভাবিকে নিজের বোন ভেবেছি।
প্লিজ আপনি আর সব
Option 2 is the right answer. 59% people are right here. Congratulations to our online quiz competition in top 10. Congratulations again. We will take a few minutes for finalize the result. After that, we will issue our online quiz competition certificate on our official Facebook page and group instead of Global Professional. Congratulations to our online quiz competition in top 10. Congratulations again. We will take a few minutes for finalize the result. After that, we will issue our online quiz competition certificate on official Facebook page and group instead of Global Professional. Congratulations to our online quiz competition winner top 10. Congratulations again. We will take a few minutes for finalize the result. After that, we will issue our online quiz competition certificate on official Facebook page and group instead of Global Professional. Congratulations again. We will take a few minutes for finalize the result. After that, we will issue our online quiz competition certificate on official Facebook page and group instead of Global Professional. Congratulations again. We will take a few minutes for finalize the result. After that, we will issue our online quiz competition certificate on official Facebook page and group instead of Global Professional. conversation as always. See you again in the next session. Thank you.
চিন্তা করবে না, এটাই সত্য।
কথাটা বলি